Many Moons, written by Remi Courgeon. Night after night, the moon comes out to play. On this night, Matthew thinks the moon could be a bow for his arrow. On this night, Jared wakes up with a craving for bananas. On this night, the moon smiles at Mommy and she smiles back. On this night, John eats half a wheel of cheese. On this night, Jenny the hen lays her egg. On this night, the moon looks like the rowboat in Papilio's dreams. On this night, the moon is like the sun, so big and bright that nobody can sleep. On this night, Holly the owl keeps watch with one eye open. Can you do that? On this night, Melody feels her baby kicking inside her tummy. And on this night, John finished the other half of cheese. On this night, Edward makes a batch of warm croissants. On this night, the moon looks like a seaman that catches a long curved tail. On this night, Isabella decides to cut her nails. On this night, the moon goes to bed and everyone sleeps. Pomalia, good night. Good night. Night after night, our moon changes shape. Each month, the moon goes through 8 phases as it orbits around the Earth. It takes the moon about 29.5 days to completely circle through all 8 phases. We have a new moon, and we have a waxing crescent, and a first quarter, and a waxing gibbous, and a full moon, and a waning gibbous, and a third quarter, and a waning crescent. So what do these moon shapes remind you of? You can have a little bit of think about that. Since we have finished reading this book, Many Moons, I was thinking, is there any other activities that we can extend the children's learning about the phrase of the moons? So different shapes. So I was thinking the easiest and affordable way is get these 2 biscuits. I think you all know it, and we're gonna use another spoon to cover this biscuit, like in between the biscuit cream, because when you look at the moon, you can see there's a big curve and a crescent and a more round this shape. So I think a spoon works way much better than a knife. So are you ready? Let's go do this experiment and learn about the 8 phases of the moon. I'm going to lower you down. During this phrase, the moon is up throughout the day and sets at the night. That's the new moon. New moon. Can you see? Because the light side is facing away from the earth, so we can't see it. Yummy, yummy. And the second, we're gonna go have the waxing crescent. Probably use scissors or knife. Well, easy to scrape. You really need to scrape the harder. here we made the second one. And each night a little bit more is visible for a little bit longer. So here's the one. And I'm gonna keep going and make the next one. Ta-da! Here comes the first half quarter. Can you see? The visible part is getting bigger and bigger. And next we are going to make, here we go. This is the waxing gibbous. Waxing gibbous. So most of the moon is visible during this waxing gibbous phase. All but a silver of the moon is visible and it remains in the sky for most of the night. So it's kind of like a little bit black and most of them are visible, are bright. Here we go. You can see here's the moon showing up. The dark part gets shrink a little bit. We can see the visible part gets bigger and bigger. Now we're going to make I think next is the one we can see the full moon. Wow. It'll be perfect, right? Oh, try one. Yum, yum, yum. Make the learning fun and impressive. Da-da-da-da! Here comes the full moon. During this phase, we can see the entire sunlight side of the moon. Because the earth, moon, and the sun and aligned, and the full moon is visible at night. So now we can see a whole of it. Ta-da! What is our next moon shape? Ta-da! You can see which is opposite to the first one you made. To this one you made. So go to the other side. So we call it waning gibbous. Waning gibbous. And the next one, when we go back, you got another quarter. We call the third quarter. Oh, by the way, in this waning gibbous, during this phase, all but a silver of the moon is visible, just like the waxing gibbous phase. The difference is that we begin to see less and less of the moon every evening. I'm gonna make the third quarter. During this phase, the third quarter, sometimes called the last quarter, we can see exactly half of the moon's sunlight surface, and it is visible late at night and early morning. So even more brighter. This is one reason why sometimes when we wake up in the morning, you can even at 9 or 10, 11 o'clock, you can still see the moon hanging up in the sky. It all makes sense. And then here comes the other quarter. We need to turn it upside down. That's because you're gonna see less moon. Last one, we are going to make the waning crescent. Waning crescent. During this phase, and only a small silver of the moon or of the sunlight side of the moon is visible, and only in the early morning. So we're going to see. After this activity, I'm going to watch more of the moon and see how it's going. Here we go. You're gonna see less, so it should go this way. In the middle of the lunar calendar, 15th of the lunar calendar of each month, and I see the moon big and bright. That's the full moon. Here's our new moon. New moon. Waxing crescent. Waxing crescent. Waxing crescent. First quarter. First quarter. Waxing gibbous. Full moon. In the middle of the lunar calendar, we see the full, beautiful, round and bright moon. Comes a waning gibbous part, and you're gonna see even less of the moon And here comes the last quarter, winning crescent. And then there's a lot of, for name the roads, we'll also see road, street, or if there's a road or this road is or path is a little bit curved, they're always called a crescent. So that's kind of like the moon, crescent shape. These are the 8 phrases of the moon. Night after night, our moon change their shapes. So go have a look, go choose one night or choose one month. Remember to observe by just lift up your head and look at the sky and see what you can see. Just open your really curious eyes and open big and round like the full moon and ready to spot any cool scientific knowledge. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I think I'm hungry. I'm going to eat the full moon. Oh, yum, yum, yum! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Go start your own learning journey. Bye-bye.